Hey guys, so today's video is gonna be a really cool one because I'm gonna show you different vegan sandwiches that you guys can make at home. Super easy, really quick. And I know there's like a common misconception. People might think like, oh, it's a vegan sandwich. Like there's not much to it, but I'm gonna show you guys that they can be really tasty and amazing. And yeah, I'm just really excited.
I have some sweet peppers here, onions, cucumber, tomatoes, romaine lettuce, and spinach. And of course the spinach is optional. I just always have it here for smoothies, so why not? Bread, the white bread, it just happened. I usually have wheat, and jalapeños, and of course some vegan mayo. First we're gonna toast our bread. I guess this is optional as well. It's up to you, but I think it always tastes better once it's toasted. And of course, add mayo to your bread.
Okay, so first I'm gonna add my sweet peppers. I'm just gonna add a little bit cucumber. Give our sandwich a little facial. Cute. Okay, tomato. Tomatoes are a must. Tomato and onion are a must, although I don't like too much. Ooh. I guess I didn't cut these as well as I thought I did. Then we're gonna do our lettuce. And sometimes I like to have spinach also, just because give a little flavor boost. And then our lettuce. I'm gonna be adding some jalapeños because who doesn't like jalapeños? We need to add some spice because our sweet peppers obviously add some sweetness to it. Have to have some spice for sure. I don't really add salt or pepper to it, which you can. If you're bougie, and you know you're bougie because you add avocado or guacamole to everything. This is actually really good. It looks like it's bad here, but it's good. I get them from my neighbor because he doesn't know I get them, but they fall on this side, so yummy. And the avocado is gonna add like creaminess to it. And then you already have like, there's a lot of crunch going on here. If you don't like avocado, if you don't like guac, just don't add it. Yummy. And then also, I don't normally do this just because I'm okay with this. Half the time I don't even do it with the avocado because I don't always have avocados. But I'll just eat it like this, and this is really delicious. But what you can do is you can add like Thousand Island to it. You can add like, I have like a cilantro lime dressing on here, and it's really, really good. So then, yeah, and then look at this sandwich, you guys. Look at that. This is my sandwich. Yummy. Don't let nobody tell you this is not good. I'm just gonna have a little bite. Okay.
Literally never thought a bunch of vegetables in a sandwich would be so freaking good.
Okay guys, if you're thinking, Clarabelle, I really need some meat flavor in my sandwich. I cannot do with a veggie sandwich. Okay, let's just relax.
Calm the fuck down, Karen. We got your meat.
Let's say you want something more like a ham sandwich. Then I have an answer. Boop. Okay, so this is a Tofurkey plant-based deli slices, and this is the hickory smoked flavor, which if you ask me, it's the best flavor. They have an oven roasted one. I'll put a picture in. And they also have a pepper jack one, which not a fan. That's all I gotta say. Too much pepper jack, not a fan. But these are so good. And actually, so this is what it looks like when you open it. Can they see? So yeah, at first, I know I'm like taking away from the sandwich making, but first time I bought this, I was really like disgusted. Like, I don't want to eat meat. I don't want to eat like that was just my personal feelings. Like, I kind of felt like since I haven't had actual, like meat and stuff in a long time, since I went vegetarian like in 2014, I was kind of like grossed out. Like the thought of me eating ham, it was just not appealing, but I still bought it and it ended up going bad in the fridge. Like, and this lasted a good amount of time, but like it went bad, threw it away. Years later, a friend of mine was like, hey, my husband just had like 2-3 of these sandwiches back to back. He's not vegan, love them. So went to Stater Brothers, because this is where I buy them, Stater Brothers. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do my thing. I was hesitant still, like, I don't know, like maybe once I taste it, I just won't want to. And let me tell you guys, these are my go-to. These are so good. I don't eat these all the time, but just when I want like a little snack or something, like these are really good. And then these, I don't like make them like as elaborate as my veggie sandwiches. Literally, I'm gonna show you right now how I make them. I usually, if you guys do buy this, don't store it in here. I would suggest putting it away like in a Tupperware. That way it preserves it and it's fresh. It's just much better, because then if you leave it in here, the ends will kind of dry out and it's not gonna be any good. Okay, so first things first, you guys already know, mayo on the bread. And then I'm gonna take 2 of these slices. So see, here are my slices.
And all I'm really gonna do is just put my ham on here. And then I'm just gonna put the tomato because tomatoes a must. And then I'm gonna add some jalapeños. Ooh, yes. Okay. Lettuce. Boom. Done.
This is literally so good, you guys. So freaking good. This adds so much flavor. It gives you that ham taste that you probably want. And yeah, you can add cucumber, you can add avocado, you can add anything you want to this. But you know, sometimes you're just feeling so lazy, you just want to make a quick sandwich really quick, tastes good, doesn't require much. Okay, so this is gonna be an egg sandwich, vegan egg, eggless egg sandwich. So yeah, so you guys are gonna need salt, your mustard, what is it? It says
Dijon.
yellow mustard, but this is Dijon mustard, but it's still yellow. I don't know, I'm not a mustard expert. Oh yeah, nutritional yeast, turmeric, black pepper, black salt. I don't know what the heck that is. I just have the girl with the umbrella salt, so yeah, I don't know. Sorry, most important, you need tofu. Yes! You want to drain this, so we're just gonna open it up because this is in water, and we're just gonna like pat it dry. Okay guys, so we're gonna get our bowl. On the recipe, it calls for 2 green onions chopped. So for like a regular onion, I just use like 1/3 or 1/4. Probably more like 1/4 of it. Maybe a little more, it just depends on your preference. And yeah, so I'm just gonna add it in there. Just gonna put that back. Didn't use all of it. It calls for 3/4 of a teaspoon of black salt, but like I said, I'm using regular salt. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Okay, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. This is where this comes in. And I could only find my 1/2 tablespoon, so I'm bad at math, but not that bad. Oh. And I just hold it over the bowl because it's okay if a little bit falls in there. It's not gonna be like, oh my gosh, so detrimental. Like, it's gonna taste so different. Okay, then it says 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. Teaspoon. And my mustard. Like I said, I'm using Dijon mustard. I don't know if there's like a difference. Probably, because it doesn't say Dijon mustard in there. And honestly, I tried this and it's so gross. But when I add it in here, it actually adds like this weird flavor and it just tastes so good. Like, I don't know. Oh yeah, and then 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Just gonna, it's not really falling in there. Okay, we're just gonna stop. Okay, I'm just gonna sprinkle more. And black pepper. It says salt and pepper to taste, so I'm just gonna, I know you guys are probably like, all your videos have mayo in them. So far they do, but I swear I eat more than just mayo. Mix it up. That's really good. I think I'm gonna add a teeny bit more mustard. I'm not even that great with flavors. Like, I'm not like, oh, that has some parsley in it. Like, no, I'm not like that at all. But with this, I kind of feel like I know the flavor that, I just want it to be a little more like predominant, which is the mustard. One thing you can do, if you want this to be a little bit more filling or just elevate the taste of this, get more different textures in here, I would say boil some potatoes and cut them up into pieces and put them in here, and it is freaking delicious. I don't mind eating, I'm not gonna say this, the end part of the loaf of bread. I don't mind it, and I'm not gonna toast this just because I'm ridiculously full already from the 2 other sandwiches. And of course, put some lettuce on here, but I'm just gonna do half of a sandwich and I'm not gonna toast it just because this is so good. Hold on, look you guys. So good. This is, I know that I was full, but I think I'm just gonna finish this.
Oh my God. Almost.
Can you shut up so I can do my outro?
No, it's all about me.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys generally try out one of those videos. One of those sandwiches. I'm like in a sandwich coma right now. The veggie sandwich, so good. I feel like that's a very underrated sandwich. The ham sandwich, cube replacement, and then this egg salad sandwich, bomb. Completely different, love it. Let me know if you guys try anything. Let me know what else you guys want to see. And like, again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.